Imagine you could double your productivity with a snap of your fingers. Welcome to the era of artificial intelligence, where an ultra-competent virtual assistant can work alongside you, whether it's drafting your emails in record time, generating inspiring images, writing computer code, or solving a multitude of problems. And this is not science fiction. According to a Harvard Business School study, consultants using AI accomplish on average 12% more tasks, complete them 25% faster, and with 40% higher quality. It's no coincidence that ChatGPT broke all records by reaching 100 million users in just 2 months. For comparison, it took 9 months for TikTok and nearly 2.5 years for Instagram to achieve the exact same result.
Artificial intelligence even allowed me to translate this bestseller training into 12 languages.
However, all this is not just a passing trend. Artificial intelligence is an extremely powerful tool that allows you to save time and multiply your capabilities, but to fully harness the potential of AI, you need to know how to use it. The goal of this training is to enable you to communicate effectively with AI, master it fully, and exploit it to the best of your ability. And for that, instead of offering you 30 hours of boring videos, I have designed a concise and dynamic course that will allow you to develop the essential knowledge and skills for optimized AI usage. We will see together how to formulate clear requests to the AI to get the best possible responses, how to configure the model so it embodies a successful entrepreneur, a pedagogical teacher, or even a gifted writer. We will see how to generate multiple ideas and become better at your work, more productive, faster, more relevant, and efficient. How to fully take advantage of ChatGPT's multimodality to write to it, talk to it, listen to it, send it images, and even ask it to interpret them. We will see how to push DALL-E to generate the best possible images. We will also explore other AIs like Copilot, Cloud, and Gemini, for example. We will see how to customize your virtual assistant to adapt to you and the way you want it to respond. We will see how to put ChatGPT on steroids with GPTs, how to use its applications, and even how to create them without being a developer. We will also explore some more technical topics at the end of the training, such as API management, the playground, or integrating ChatGPT with other software like Excel or Google Sheets, for example, and many other practical cases and advanced features. And most importantly, we will see that all of this is accessible even to beginners. In this training, you will find concrete demonstrations, technical sheets, and downloadable practical guides, and above all, regularly updated content. In short, I promise you a clear, accessible, and engaging course, detailed enough to cover the essential concepts and provide extensive practice, no matter your starting level, whether you are a beginner or looking for advanced techniques. This is the only training you will need to master ChatGPT. Before diving into the main topic, I wanted to record this short video to explain how I developed this training and, most importantly, to show you how to get the most out of this course. First, it's important to know that artificial intelligence models are generally more efficient in English. This is particularly true for ChatGPT, which tends to be more precise and relevant in English than in other languages. This is largely because English is the primary language used to train most AI language models. While ChatGPT understands and communicates effectively in many different languages, it is still slightly more efficient and accurate in English. I am convinced that this current gap in performance level will gradually smooth out over time. But for now, it is a fact that ChatGPT remains a little better in English. Of course, in this training, I will write my prompts and my instructions to the model in English. On your side, you can write to ChatGPT in the language that best suits you and the one that is most convenient for you. Moreover, you will find many helpful summary slides in the video resources. I have made sure to create detailed technical sheets and summary sheets to illustrate certain passages or key chapters of this course. And finally, one last technical point. If you wish, you have the option to watch some videos at an accelerated speed, such as 1.5 times the normal speed. However, try to go through this entire training. You can speed up some videos or skip a few if you have an advanced level, but do not skip entire sections. I have made a significant effort to be concise so that the majority of learners can complete this course and experience real, tangible progress. Before we see how to use ChatGPT, let's take a moment to set the context and quickly understand what AI is, what ChatGPT is, and how the model works. Artificial intelligence is not really an innovation of the 2010s or 2020s, as many people think. In reality, its history dates back to the early 1950s, with pioneers like Alan Turing, who were already questioning the ability of machines to think. The following decades saw significant advancements, such as the development of search algorithms, logical programming, and the first neural networks. But it was truly in 2022 that the breakthrough of ChatGPT marked a turning point, becoming a global phenomenon by gathering 100 million users in just 2 months. So behind ChatGPT, which is the leading and most well-known model to date, there is obviously the company OpenAI. This is a company that was notably founded by Elon Musk and Sam Altman. There is little chance that you don't know what ChatGPT is. In very brief terms, ChatGPT is a chatbot, an advanced chatbot, a conversational robot on steroids that allows for dynamic, coherent, and contextual interactions almost like a human would, but a particularly gifted human. It is capable of writing text, answering complex questions, and even generating images with ChatGPT. To interact effectively with ChatGPT and get the best results, you need to know how to talk to it. One must master the art of formulating requests, queries, or what is more commonly known in the AI world as prompt engineering. And a well-designed prompt can significantly improve the relevance and accuracy of the responses provided by the AI. We will later see how to design the best prompts and how to get the best responses from ChatGPT. But before that, let's briefly look at how AIs like ChatGPT work. ChatGPT is an advanced language model that interacts with the user and produces content. To achieve this, it was previously trained on a colossal volume of data, including web pages, articles, books, and other textual sources. This training has allowed it to develop a general understanding of the world and an extensive general knowledge. Another crucial aspect of the development of ChatGPT is its continuous improvement through reinforcement learning based on human feedback. To put it very simply, it means that the model will adjust and improve based on interactions. By identifying what constitutes a satisfactory response from a significantly less good one. I wanted to make this introduction video, and in the next video, we will meet directly on the ChatGPT interface to start using the tool